Hey family, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Aisha Denise. As you guys can tell by the title, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys my wash routine, and we're gonna do a little twist out. Since we are in quarantine and I ain't going nowhere, I don't really have to do much styling, but I just want to show you guys some of the products that I use and just my routine when it's time to wash my hair. Okay, so if you are interested in this video, if you are interested in my content, make sure you guys do me a favor and subscribe below. If you're new, welcome to the family. We post a lot. If there's anything that I learned that will benefit you in your life, I'm giving it to you. Thank you guys for watching, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is wash my hair with this Creme of Nature. I love Creme of Nature. It smells so good. It smells like mango and shea butter. So I don't remember the price of this bottle because unfortunately I ripped the tag off. But you can get this at your local beauty supply store. I don't know if Target has it, but beauty supply store definitely has it. I've been using Creme of Nature since I was like growing up, so I live by it. It's very, and it says on here that it's for dehydrated hair. So if your hair is really dry, typically this is probably the product for you. Alright you guys, so after I wash my hair, I like to go in with this Paul Mitchell tea tree conditioner. This is not the one that I usually get. I like to get the peppermint one, but I couldn't find it that day, so this one is lavender. It smells just as good, but I like peppermint one because I can really feel it penetrating in my scalp. It's very cooling in the scalp. So if you can find it, get the peppermint one. They have these at CVS. They're expensive, but it really works, and it gets your hair feeling so soft. So just watch this part because if you have thick hair like me, it's really important that you section off your hair. Okay, so first thing I like to do is literally just take my front bunch like this and section it off. I'm going to squeeze some product in my hand. Crap. Like that. So I only have a little bit left, so I'm not trying to like go too crazy. And I'm trying to get this in before my hair completely dries. My hair dries really quickly, so I'm trying to dodge this. So for me, like when I am going to like blow dry my hair or straighten it after, this part is really important, especially how long I let it sit, because that is really what's going to get your hair silky straight. But in this case, since we're just doing a natural wet twist out, it's not as important. So I'm going to take a scrunchie. And now I'm going to do the same thing with this side. Just section it off right here like this. And then after that part, you need to take a plastic shower cap and you're gonna put it over your head. A lot of people like to sit under a dryer at this part to just let the heat help soak the products into the hair follicles, but I don't do that simply because I don't have a dryer to sit under. Hey y'all, so I'm back. Damn! I got tired of looking crusty on the camera, so I had to beat my face real quick. But once you finish washing out the conditioner from your hair, you are gonna go ahead and part your hair. Don't judge my parts. Like I said earlier, I ain't going nowhere, so they ain't gotta be perfect. My hair dries really quickly, you guys, so I'm gonna grab my spray bottle, and you guys will see me using this periodically. But for the meantime, let me just show you guys the products that I'm going to be using as we do this process. So I'm going to be using some Eco Styling Gel. This right here, this right here. This is $1.99 at the beauty supply store. So there's this, and I think I'm going to use this as well. This is hair mousse. This is going to help set my twist, prevent any frizz, and I'm also going to oil my hair. So my scalp has been very itchy and sore. This week it's been pretty good, but last week I would say my hair was my scalp was super sore. I'm going to go ahead and show my scalp and my hair some tender loving care during this time of quarantine. So oh y'all, I'm low. As I explained in my last video, this bottle has peppermint oil, tea tree oil, rosehip oil, and coconut oil. I'm probably gonna have to mix some more because ain't just about nothing in here. we ain't got nothing in here. First, I'm gonna just take a little bit and kind of just massage it through. Massage it through your hair. Massage it through your hair. But I mainly want to focus on the scalp, so. Yes, sir. Get up in here. Get up in there. Get up in there. All right, y'all. Let's get into it. Y'all, we are on the last twist. So if you are enjoying this video thus far, make sure you do me a favor and subscribe below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it, if it's helpful for you during this time of being in quarantine, during this time of wanting to just give your hair some tender loving care. Maybe your hair is damaged, maybe you're just like, I have time on my hands, let me just take care of my hair and put some products in my hair and scalp that's gonna help nourish. This is for you, you guys. Make sure you share this video with a friend right now before you forget, and subscribe below. And that's it. This one's a little bit longer, but that's only because it's still wet. The others have dried, and with my hair, once it dries, it kind of just shrinks up into a shorter length. But yes, y'all, so this will literally help me to just not only take care of my hair, but since I've mentioned in previous videos that I'm very low maintenance, I won't have to do anything with it. I could just let it go. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys comment below other hair videos you guys would be interested in seeing.